channel. If you guys like the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and notified every single time I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Kendra_Schwing. And today is going to be another day in my life video, but this time it's going to be of a high school worker. So it's going to be more based on what I do at work. And then we also had a bad snowstorm yesterday and I filmed that, so that'll also be in this video. So yeah, let's just get right on with the video. So that is all for today's video. If you guys liked the video, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, press the bell every single time I post a new video. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Kendra_Schwing. See you guys all next Friday, I believe. Yes, I'm pretty sure I still don't know what I'm going to be filming, but see you guys then. Bye, I love you.